Welcome back. In West Michigan, healthcare is a big part of our local community, and many healthcare positions are currently open. Mary Rosser, Chief Human Resources Officer at Mercy Health, is here to talk about some of those open positions at Mercy Health. Good morning.
Good morning. It's a privilege to be here. Thank you for the invitation.
It's our pleasure as well. Hey, it sounds like Mercy Health really has a lot of opportunities. So why don't you go ahead and just tell us about some of those positions? And then, of course, a lot of people want to know if they're full-time or part-time.
Certainly. Thank you. We have a number of positions open in our healthcare system here in West Michigan and in the Grand Rapids area and within our medical practices. Those positions are registered nurses, environmental services. So those colleagues that serve that important role of making sure our environment is clean and ready for our patients. Our food and nutrition services. So those colleagues are handling all things related to the meals that we serve our patients and certainly that our colleagues enjoy as well. Our medical assistants. So those colleagues working in our medical practices to partner with our physicians and our mid-level providers to ensure safe and high-quality patient care. And certainly patient care assistants. They work in our medical centers and our hospitals to be a part of that very important care team.
And a lot of times one role can actually transition into another thing that someone realizes they like too.
Yes, it can. We have an amazing career development center that is designed just for that, so that there are career pathways for our colleagues. Oftentimes a colleague will start out in environmental services, they will move into patient care roles, and oftentimes they'll move into our business roles as well. So we have a really robust and strong system for supporting our colleagues in career growth.
And what is Trinity Health First Choice about?
Trinity Health First Choice is our own internal nursing group, and they are traveler nurses. So that affords them an opportunity for mobility to work in any of our hospitals or healthcare systems across the United States. And it affords them an opportunity to grow, to move and challenge themselves by working in different clinical areas, and to move as the needs of our system change. For example, through COVID, our staffing needs have changed, so that allows us to very quickly and nimbly move our workforce to support any of our hospitals or our healthcare ministries throughout the Trinity system.
And there's a little buzz out there about Mercy Health adjusting its minimum wage. If you want to go ahead and hit on that for us.
Sure, absolutely. So we are a member of the Trinity Health Michigan region, and we've spent the last several months in very thoughtful and careful discernment around our compensation and our total rewards programs for those who choose to share their gifts and talents and work within our healthcare systems. We recognize that every colleague makes a very meaningful and important contribution. So we made a decision to change our minimum wage to $15 an hour effective October 18th. This is in recognition of the very meaningful and vital contributions that our colleagues and those job families contribute every day to the success of our healthcare systems. So we're very happy that we can make this change. It affected thousands of colleagues in Michigan and hundreds in West Michigan. And it affected others as well, because we made sure that we made meaningful distinctions in pay for those who were between wages of $15 to $19 per hour.
And in closing today, what is different about working for Mercy Health?
Our culture. Our culture is one of warmth, inclusion, caring, respect. It's different, and we nurture it and we nourish it every day so that nothing or no one ever compromises that. In orientation every other week, colleagues share with us that they've chosen to join us because of the culture they felt as a patient, as a visitor, or someone they know that is an employee of Mercy Health.
All right, with that, thank you so much for your time this morning.
You're welcome.
And we do have details right there on the screen, mercyhealth.com/careers, or you can text REMARKABLE to 40458. We'll be right back.